Despite the Good Friday killing of a 28-year-old woman in Manchester, reportedly by her boyfriend, who was a soldier, the police are reporting a decline in domestic violence incidents among members of the security forces. Krista Campbell has that story.
A domestic violence intervention center within the police force that's reporting an increase in reports of abusive relationships. And while domestic violence liaison officer DSP Jacqueline Dillon celebrates an increase in men in particular reporting abusive female partners, she notes there's been a marked change in members of the security forces being abusers themselves.
2017, 2018 was one of those years that we had a number of members of the security forces, being charged or has committed various incidents. In the past 4 years or more, what we found is that is going down. You still have pockets or one-off incidents that may occur.
Like the April 3 Good Friday killing of 28-year-old Tanzania Dunkley in 3 Chains, Manchester. She was found with her throat slashed, and her 27-year-old boyfriend Damanis Williamson, who was a member of the Jamaica Defense Force, was charged and is before the courts over that incident. He's to return to court on May 20, 2026.
Those incidents that result in deaths are the ones that we never ever even hear a pin drop prior to.
And DSP Dillon says that was the case with Damanis Williamson. But she says domestic violence reports have been increasing among police and soldiers in recent times.
So we have a number of persons from both the JCF and the JDF and other organizations that reach out to us. They want to talk. Let us deal with this incident. They come and we sit down and we have that conversation. There are some incidents where we have to send people to court to get orders. You have to tell people to move away from their partner to save themselves. You have to get the partner themselves, who are the aggressor, have a serious conversation around what is likely to happen if they continue on that path.
She says there have not been any reported murders from any of the cases the Domestic Violence Intervention Center has dealt with, which is why she's encouraging even more persons to seek help at the first sign of a volatile relationship.
Once you feel uncomfortable, it's not about arresting anybody. It's about getting the right intervention at the earliest possible time to prevent an escalation. And when we talk about preventing an escalation, people have to follow through, because the law as it is now requires persons who make report about incidents, about how they feel about an incident that may happen, to follow through with the advice that is given to them by the police.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.